Poll watchdog NAMFREL is sounding the alarm after recent revelations of alleged Chinese interference in the elections, while the Migrant Workers Department is beefing up efforts to get more Filipinos overseas abroad to vote. Joan Manalo reports.
NAMFREL National Chairperson Lito Averia stressed that the public should look out for individuals or groups being paid by a foreign country to interfere in elections. Averia believes this is a serious matter that must be properly investigated and prosecuted.
Mas maganda na makasuhan sila, maimbestigahan ng mabuti kung ano yung kanilang aksyon. Dahil kung sila ay binabayaran ng ibang bansa, ibang usapan na yan. Control farm, bayaran ka na para binebenta mo na rin. Kasi nga, there's no place para sa atin na atakihin yung ating halalan.
This is in light of the recent Senate hearing that revealed how the Chinese embassy in the Philippines allegedly paid for troll farms through a Makati-based firm. Averia adds, legal action can be taken against those involved, just like in previous cases where people were charged for manipulating online content. This includes third parties, proxies, and so-called keyboard warriors who may be paid to spread false information. He added that such activities can also be traced to prevent online disinformation. Meanwhile, authorities are working to encourage more overseas Filipinos to vote. Migrant Workers Secretary Hans Leo Cacdac said they have set up voter registration kiosks and counters at DMW offices, apart from its education campaign. Cacdac also emphasized that the DMW is part of the Election Board of Canvassers, and it continues to work with the DFA and embassies to support ongoing overseas voting.
And then we work closely with the DFA. Ang ambassador heads yung electoral effort dun sa voting effort dun sa embahada. Kaya't kabilang tayo sa Board of Canvassers, yung mga tao natin sa migrant, kung saan meron tayong migrant workers office.
The COMELEC previously reported that only around 95,000 of the 1.2 million overseas voters have enrolled in overseas voting, which will end on the election day, May 12. With this, NAMFREL and the DMW continue the call for vigilance in order to safeguard the integrity of the Philippine elections. Joan Manalo, Billionario News Channel.